Sometimes you need to reach the actual DOM element, not just describe it to call.focus on an input, for example. In this video you'll use template refs to get a real reference to a DOM element or even a child component. InputRef auto-links to this real input tag element, but only after mount, so it's null before that. inputRef.value is now the genuine real DOM element. Calling .focus on it actually focuses the input. defineExpose explicitly whitelists resetForm as accessible from the parent. Nothing else on this child is exposed by default. childRef.value.resetForm genuinely calls the real method the child chose to expose. Vue's declarative model covers most needs, but some things, like focusing an input or calling a child's method, genuinely require an imperative handle. Template refs give you exactly that, safely scoped to after mount. Ref is equal to name on an element plus a same named ref gives you a real DOM handle after mount. Template refs are null until the component has actually mounted. A ref on a child component only exposes what that child explicitly lists in defineExpose. Add a template ref to a real input and call .focus on it inside an onMounted hook. Next, sharing data down through many layers of components without prop drilling.